What kind of pelvic floor exercises should you do during pregnancy to optimize your outcomes for your birth and recovery? The answer is in this video. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell button below so you don't miss any of my pelvic floor tips for an empowering birth and postpartum recovery. I've been working with more than 1,000 moms-to-be as a pelvic health physical therapist, and the pelvic floor exercise that I'm about to show you in this video has not only helped my clients in preventing bladder leaks during pregnancy, but it has also improved their connection with their pelvic floor for an easier delivery, while also speeding up their postpartum recovery. So this exercise, ladies, believe me, has made its proofs and it's well worth your time. So let's get started. First thing first, what is the pelvic floor? So the pelvic floor is basically these red muscles here located around your vagina and your anus. The first thing you will do is to straddle a rolled towel to get some feedback about your pelvic floor exercise. So basically what the towel does is it puts pressure on your pelvic floor, and so you'll be able to sense a little bit of movement when you contract and release, which can be helpful when you start this practice and you're not super familiar with how it should feel like. Now close your eyes and pretend that you want to pick up a berry with your vagina and lift it up in your pelvis. You can also picture stopping your pee if that's more helpful. And you should feel a movement of your pelvic floor on the towel as you do that. Keep this contraction for 5 seconds as you keep breathing. Now make sure you do not squeeze your butt or your inner thigh muscle. It's really just the muscles around the vagina that should be squeezing. Now release your pelvic floor, and to do this, you'll pretend that you want to let go of the berry and bring it back down on the towel. So just opening the muscles around your vagina and letting them melt. Take 2 nice belly breaths of relaxation here as you keep imagining your pelvic floor melting and releasing. All right, let's do another one together, okay? So squeezing and lifting the pelvic floor and vagina, holding for 5 seconds while you keep breathing. And now releasing all the way down, letting go of all the tensions and taking 2 breaths of rest while still picturing your pelvic floor opening and releasing. You will want to repeat this exercise 10 times, so 10 repetitions of what we just did, and do 1 to 2 sets a day throughout your pregnancy. And once your connection has improved with your pelvic floor and you're more confident with this exercise, you are welcome to try in other positions such as lying down, standing up, or on all fours. If you're interested in more pregnancy tips to prepare your pelvic floor for an empowering birth, please download my free prenatal book below. It is there for you. Now, I have heard so many postpartum moms in my clinic saying they wish they had learned about the pelvic floor before having their baby. So if you have a friend who's pregnant, please share this video with her. Knowledge is power, ladies, and if we don't take control over our own health to be healthy, active, happy moms, no one else is going to do it for us. So one simple thing you can do to help me in my mission to prevent pelvic health issues in mothers is to like this video and share with any of your pregnant friends. Thanks for watching.